There's something you should know about your super. You only need one super account. And yet, many of us have 2, 3, or even more. In fact, every time you get a new job, you might get another account. Here's the thing. All those accounts are eating up your money in fees and charges. Think of it this way. Having more than one account is like going on holiday and renting lots of extra rooms when you only need the one. You're wasting money that should be working hard to build your future. And over the course of your working life, $1 turns into $2, which has the potential to turn into thousands of dollars that should be yours to enjoy in your retirement. That sort of cash paints a very different picture of your future. So combine your super into one account today. It's a small, simple change that could make a big difference to your future.